Here are 5 tips to help you make your hair look thicker and fuller. Number 1. Get a volumizing haircut. Layers can create the illusion of thickness, and a blunt cut at the ends can make your hair appear fuller. Number 2. Use the right products. Volumizing shampoos and conditioners are great at providing volume at the roots. Look for products designed to add lift and body to your hair, and avoid heavy conditioners that can weigh your hair down. Number 3. Blow dry upside down. Flip your head upside down while blow drying. This technique lifts your hair at the roots and adds instant volume. Use a round brush to add extra bounce and shape. Number 4. Tease your roots gently. Tease your hair at the roots to create more volume. Use a fine-tooth comb and backcomb small sections at the crown of your head. Just be careful not to overdo it to avoid damaging your hair. Number 5. Add some extensions. Clipping hair extensions can be a game changer for thin hair. They add instant thickness and length. Choosing extensions that match your hair colour can be difficult if you're new to extensions, but we offer a free colour matching service to help you achieve a natural look. For more thin hair tips, sign up to our newsletter and check out our social media channels.